So, I'm sure you've noticed some cracks around your home. Windows and doors not opening like they should, uneven slab, or maybe even a section of your home that's literally sinking. Well, not to worry, there's always a solution to whatever foundation problem you're facing. And this solution might be the one for you. Hi, I'm Esperanza with Arizona Foundation Solutions. In this video, we will discuss in detail about our helical pier system. Like our push pier system, this is a common method to stabilize your home's foundation. Where our push piers are used in certain circumstances, helical piers are best served in more fine soils like sand, light structures, or fragile foundations. So, let's talk helical piers. Features. Helical piers are a factory-manufactured steel foundation system consisting of a central shaft with one or more helix-shaped bearing plates and a bracket that allows attachment to a structure. The helix plates are commonly referred to as blades or flights and are welded to the lead section. Extension shafts with or without additional helix plates are used to extend the pile to competent load-bearing soil and to achieve design depth and capacity. Brackets are used at the top of the piles for attachment to structures, either for new construction or retrofit applications. Helical piles are advanced or screwed into the ground with the application of torque. Installation. After the crews arrive, they will prep the work areas of your home. We ask that you make sure to clear away anything that might be in the way of our crews. This includes landscape, lawn ornaments, etc. Our crews will proceed to dig up the soils around your home. Typically, the holes will be a few feet wide and approximately 3 to 5 feet deep depending on the depth of your home's footing. After the soil is cleared away, they will proceed with the installation of the piers. Like our push pier system, helical piers are installed in similar fashion. The difference between these two is while push piers are driven, helical piers are turned like a corkscrew with pressure applied. Sections are added with bolts and the helical continues to turn downward below the foundation until the proper depth is reached. Timeline. So, how long will this procedure take? In simple terms, you're looking at a few days. Prepping can take a few days depending on the number of piers needed, and variables can occur like bagged soil conditions, incremental weather, and location. The nice thing to know is, regardless of the time, you will be able to remain in your home during the work. For more insight as to the time it will take for installation, check out this video. Costs. There's no real easy way to soften the blow of foundation repair. It can get costly. Costs will depend largely on many variables. Costs are added on due to the number of piers needed or tube extensions that have to be installed. Foundation repairs typically range from 10 to 30% of the cost of your home. Our team of engineers work hard to limit any variables that could occur in order to protect not just your home, but your wallet. Full breakdown of costs are available when you meet with your foundation specialist. They will be transparent in why the costs are what they are, who it's for and not for. At Arizona Foundation Solutions, we have seen many homes and soil combinations, and it amazes us how infrequent some of these situations have been. Helical piers are best used when the soils are sandy or fine. Some homes are too light for the push piers, so helical piers are used in its place. Sometimes the foundation footing is fragile and proper care must be used. Helical piers taken into consideration are best for this situation. If a home is built on rocky soils, helical piers would not be the best option, and push piers would be better. Mobile homes would not benefit from either helical or push piers and would be better served with jacks. Conclusion. So now that you know a little more about the helical piers, is there anything else you want to know? Anything we didn't cover? Reach out to your foundation specialist with any further questions and they will be more than happy to answer your additional questions. I hope this video was value to you and has given you the peace of mind you need to make an informed decision. If you found it helpful, hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video.